on the lesson The Little Fir Tree from NCERT Marigold Textbook Standard 4th. Children, in this video I will cover the explanation of the lesson and also new words. The Little Fir Tree. Children, before start the lesson, first of all you have to give me answer of my question. So my question is, would you like to see a magic? I know your answer will be yes, because all of you like to see a magic. Children, in this lesson we are going to see the magician. So let's start the lesson. Shetty, the magician, was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. So children, one day the magician was returning home. What was the name of that magician? Can you tell me? Yes, his name was Shetty. And when he returning home, it started to rain heavily. Shetty wanted to save himself from the rain. So he was looking for a shelter and he saw a little fir tree. Children, can you tell me how's the shape of fir tree? The shape of the fir tree is cone shape. It has flat needle shaped leaves. It is famous for its use as Christmas tree. It is native to the mountains of the western Himalayas. So, we start next. He saw a pretty, which means an attractive fir tree. He ran quickly towards it because he wanted to save himself from the rain. Now, see in the next lines. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he didn't get wet. Children, now when the rain stopped, Shetty found he didn't get wet, means he was dry. So he was happy. Why he didn't get wet? Because he was standing under the little fir tree. So he was happy with the tree. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. Children, Shetty thanked to the little fir tree and he wanted to give reward the little fir tree. He gave 4 wishes to the tree and he will fulfill them with his magic tricks. Children, here reward means something given when you have done some good work. Children, see this picture carefully. After, I will tell you. Children, you can see here in this picture the little fir tree and the magician, Shetty. Shetty was giving reward to little fir tree. See here, we can see Shetty was giving reward. Okay, now see in the next lines. The shade fir tree had leaves like needles and no birds ever made their nests on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. So children, we see that the fir tree was shade. Why was he shade? Because it has the leaves like needles and because of that no birds ever made their nest on it. So it wanted to have some leaves like other friends. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had gold leaves as goats do not eat gold leaves. Children, the wish of the fir tree was granted by the magic tricks. Its leaves became like other trees, but it's create major problem. What's the problem? Children, you can see in this picture what's bothering to the little fir tree? Yes, a goat came and ate the green leaves. You can also find how fir tree became shade because it didn't want anyone to eat its leaves. So it wished for gold leaves. It thought that God didn't eat them. Gold means a precious metal. So it wanted metal leaves. Now tree was worried and wished for gold leaves. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. So now the second wish of the fir tree was to have gold leaves. This was also fulfilled by the magic tricks, and tree became very happy for gold leaves. But children, as you all know, gold is very expensive and very precious metal. So man came and stole the gold leaves. So in the next morning, tree has gold leaves. It said, "How happy I am!" But a man can stole them. Children, here see in the picture, as you can see, the man can stole them, and we can see the little fir tree became very shade. I wish I had glass leaves. Instead, men do not steal glass leaves. Children, the fir tree became unhappy or sad again, and he wished that it should have glass leaves. It thought that men don't steal glass leaves, as glass is not expensive like gold. The fir tree wished it had glass leaves because people don't steal them. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. So children, its third wish was to have glass leaves, and this wish was also fulfilled by the magic tricks. The glass leaves were shining in the bright sun, so the fir tree was very happy to have the glass leaves. At night, the wind blew. Whoo! All the glass leaves broke. Children, what happened at the night? Yes, the wind blew. The glass leaves broke. As you know, the glass is very delicate. So when the wind blew, the glass leaves broke. Children, you can see in this picture how the glass leaves were fall down and the fir tree became shade again. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my old needle-like leaves best, for gods do not eat them, no man can steal them, the wind will do them no harm. Children, now the fir tree was become shade again. It felt that its needle-like leaves were best because gods cannot eat them, men can't steal them, and the wind also can't do anything wrong with needle-like leaves. So it wanted to have those needle-like leaves back. It using its three wishes, it using its three wishes. It missed the needle-like leaves. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. So, its wish was fulfilled by the magic tricks again. When it woke up in the next morning, it had needle-like leaves. Children, do you know? This was its last wish, but whether it was happy or not. So now see in the next lines. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. The fir tree became happy again. The tree realized that its actual needle-like leaves are best. Children, see in this picture how happy the little fir tree is. I think it feels itself very lucky now. The fir tree gets very happy. So children, the moral of the story is that we should feel happy in whatever we have. We should feel happy in what we are. We should always appreciate the qualities we have instead of being greedy for all the other things. Children, have you understood this lesson? Okay, I will tell you a summary of this lesson so you can understand it properly. This lesson is very interesting of a fir tree and the magician named Shakti. From rain, the fir tree saved the magician get wet. So the magician gets happy and feels thankful to the fir tree. So he decides to grant 4 wishes to the fir tree. The fir tree uses all the 4 wishes to change its leaves because it was not happy with its leaves. The magic trick was fulfilled. Its wishes. At last, the little fir tree wanted its needle-like leaves. It realized that its actual leaves were the best. So children, now see in the new words. Our first word is pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Second one, needles. Needles means a small thin piece of metal. Next one, leaves. Means flat green parts of a plant. Next one, gold. Gold means a precious metal used to make jewelry, coins, etc. Last, stole. Stole means took something without permission. Children, I hope you all understand this lesson. Then I will explain exercise of this lesson in my next video. If you want to watch it, I give the link in the description box. Furthermore, if you wish to watch exercise in Hindi language, then search in our channel's Hindi playlist. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, then like and share it. If you have already subscribed our channel, thank you so much for that. Still you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe it right now so that quickly you will get notification of our new videos. Your valuable suggestions are welcome in our comment box. Thanks for watching.